USCIS offering how many types of green card, and what are the requirements of different green cards issued by USCIS. USCIS Immigration Department of Citizenship and Refugees offering different type of the green cards depending upon different immigrants, and of course their requirements are also very different. What will be the effect of Trump administration on processing of these green card, and immigrants would be able to get green card by easiest way or not? Exact requirements for each category of green card is the main topic in this clip. Go back to the topic of the today. There are 3 employer-based green card USCIS is offering. One is EB1, EB2, and EB3. EB1 is employment-based, EB2 is also employment-based, and EB3 is also employment-based, as alphabets are telling. EB1 mean that you are a high professional, you are an extraordinary individual, you are professor, you may have very good academics. For example, you have research paper, your recommendations from other organizations, and you are being appreciated throughout the world. And in USA, very authentic people, very authentic organizations published your research paper. Similarly, if you are in any multinational company, you are working as manager, and you are doing your top level job, and you are managing huge organization, you are very eligible for EB1. Remember, this is not your criteria that your application will be accepted under EB1. This is USCIS, that USCIS will accept your offer of accepting as EB1 immigrant. EB1 immigrant green card processing is little bit easier because they are high graded professional. All 3 jobs, EB1, EB2, EB3, they are not concerned with the business people. If you are doing your own business, you will never allowed to go under this category. These are employment-based green card. You need to justify your educational qualification. You need to justify your experience certificate in your own home country or in US, and you have to justify your recommendation from other organization, your research paper, your published paper in organization with authority letters from same organizations. EB2 is also employment-based green card depending upon your qualification and experience in different fields of education and different field of the businesses. You are assistant manager, and you are also controlling, managing a lot of human management you are doing, but you are not working at top position, that is medium level position. Your qualification in this case is also matter. If you are academic, you may be teacher, you may be a software engineer, you may be a person who is employed in a grade organization in United States. As I told already, you need job offer essentially in EB2 as well. In simple way, if I will explain, EB2 people are less qualified and less extraordinary skills than EB1. It's very simple. EB1 rated number 1 professional individuals, employment-based individual for green card, and EB2 second class professionals, and they have, after EB1, they are also having special skills to get the EB2 green card. Go back to the EB3, employment-based green card. These are concerned with the skilled workers. You are plumber, you are engineers, and you are electricians and you are a skilled worker, and you will be given category of EB3. This type of green card is called EB3. In this case, much qualification is not required. Even schooling is enough, but your experience, your diploma will be matter. Are you working in your home office or in your home country? Are you working in United States? Your experience will count. You may be called for interview. Definitely you have to justify how you are eligible for this class, mean EB3. Go back to another, spouse visas. Spouse visas also given green card directly. In this case, you have to prove that you are a genuine pair. You need to live together. You need to have bank account, joint bank account, and you have to show your electric bill, common names in electric bill, and your residence, common residence, living together in the same place if you are in United States. Spouses are expected to call for interview in United States, in USCIS. If the spouse is in outside United States, the consulate will arrange interview, and interview will be indispensable, in which the immigration officer will judge that you are a genuine pair or not genuine pair. Your genuineness may be justified by different marriage documents, your family documents, your pictures, as I told you, your joint account, and your past record of living together. It must be a legal relationship. You cannot make relationship to get the visa. It's also very essential that if spouses are married just 2 years back and you're getting green card, your spouse is getting green card, even within US or outside US, she will be given conditional green card. That conditional green card will be due to the reason that USCIS still want little investigation that you people are genuine pair or not, because it's normal practice going on in the past history of US immigration. People marries only to get the green card. Therefore, they will check that if you are genuine, definitely you will live more 3 years. They will check you 3 years more, and they will check that after 3 years, 3 years record of living together, they will analyze by another interview, and then the spouse will be given permanent green card. Once you get the green card, you get the eligibility to get the permanent citizenship by filling up different forms, 148, 132, for different categories. Business visa holders also can get the green card like this one. Investor visa is also, there is another green card, and their forms for citizenship will be also different. What will be the Trump administration effect on green card in the coming days? These all types of the green card processings expected to be delayed. Second Trump effect on green card getting procedure, the documentation may be little more complicated than it was earlier. Say, for example, spouses were demanding their marriage certificate and etc., but maybe they increased the conditional green card duration to get the permanent green card. Similarly, USCIS final interview of citizenship, tenure of wait is going to increase, as Trump advised USCIS not to give early appointment, delay as much as possible. And what they want, what the Trump administration want, they would like to check immigrants. Either these immigrants are helping United States in economy, they are useful for economy. All green card holders, which I explained in this clip, they need to submit another form for national interest, that all their activities in United States will go in favor of US and US citizens. My polite advice to all immigrants who are currently in United States, who are planning to go to United States, take care of your any wrong activity inside United States to speak against US citizen or to speak a little bit deteriorated as a conversation. Avoid, because you all act corruption or traffic driving or any type of harsh language, because all your record may be given to USCIS if you will be convicted or guilty. And in Trump era, your all green card processing, your even citizenship may be cancelled. They are making such laws. If anybody, immigrant, is violating the US laws, the difficulties will be there in getting green card and citizenship. Of course, these processings will delay, but it never means all things will go in pessimistic way. All things will go in optimistic way as well. There is another chance that if Donald Trump is making massive deportation plan for illegal, at the same time he may have very good meeting with the business people, with the company owners of United States, that I have removed a lot of illegals from United States. Now I want to replace those illegals by legal workers. It's quite possible. Social media is not talking about. There may be good things upcoming also in the USCIS in 2025. Strictness and tightness will be there. In all visa system there are tightness, but hopefully some things will go better in 2025. We are hoping well. Elon Musk already convinced Donald Trump that H-1B work visas are very good for United States economy. These people come, work here and escalate our professional career and escalate our GDP growth. I will be keep telling you further information regarding world immigration news. Hopefully you will subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you very much.